In this video, we are going to talk about how you can buy Bone Shibaswap using Trust Wallet and Shibaswap. So the first thing that you will need to do is go to CoinMarketCap and search for Bone Shibaswap. Now once you are here, you have to search for this contact address, which is over here. So this is a Ethereum based token. So what you need to do is you need to copy this address and then go to your Trust Wallet. So once you are here on the Trust Wallet, if you check on search, as you can see, you are not able to find Bone Shibaswap. So all you have to do is add custom token, and the network should be Ethereum by default. Just paste the contact address, and here the details will be pre-populated, and simply click on done. Now if you refresh it 1 or 2 times, as you can see at the bottom, we can see Bone Shibaswap. So what you have to do next is now you have to go to dApps and search for Shibaswap. You can either check it from Google or directly use the link given in the Trust Wallet. So if I click on Shibaswap now, we will wait for it to load because there is always some delay in Shibaswap, maybe because of the network load. So once you are here on Shibaswap, you have to go down and click on swap tokens. Now here you can swap your tokens. So any ERC20 tokens you can swap for Bone. So first you have to click over here and search for Bone. Now click over here. Now let's say if you have Ethereum, let's say if you want to swap 1 Ethereum with Bone. So as per the current market price, you will receive around 5,892 Bone. Since this is just a video wallet, there is no balance in my current wallet. So once you have the balance, there would be an option of swap that would come over here. So once you click on swap, so what it will do is it will swap your Ethereum or any other ERC20 token with Bone. And once you have completed, just go back to Trust Wallet and refresh it 1 or 2 times. Then this will go at the top and you will be able to see the Bone amount in your wallet. So in case of any doubts or question, friends, please feel free to leave a comment, and hopefully you guys like my video. Thank you for watching.